if you want to enable or disable location on the Motorola Edge 70, then in this case you can, for example, open settings. Next, we're gonna scroll down in here in order to find the location option. And after that, we can simply disable or enable location. If you try to turn it off and it says no location access, you can just tap on close if you want to actually disable it. And sometimes when you try to turn it on, you might also see a window, so you will have to confirm that you want to turn on the location on your phone. You can also go to quick settings or the control center, and in here you should also be able to find the location button, I believe, although I need to verify that. So let's tap on this pen icon because it seems that it is not actually added by default. There we go, we have location over here, so you can easily add it to quick settings. So we can easily turn it on or off just by tapping on the switcher. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.